Okay, good morning to all.
Morning, sir.
Very good morning, very good morning. Yeah, so we'll start the class. So yesterday we wrote down different formulas. Today, what we will do? We will do the formulas part. So where is file manager? Where is the file manager?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, good morning. What's the name? What chapter number?
20.
Okay, so if I will give you one question, okay. For example, if this is the question and it is given 7 centimeter, and it is given 7 centimeter. So calculate the circumference and area of this. Can you calculate it? Quickly calculate it. I'm coming in 2 minutes. Yes, guys, you got the answer?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what's the answer, Abigail? Abigail?
Yeah, so for circumference, I got 44 centimeter. And for
Uh,
area, I got again 40.
again 44. Area is not 44. Hannah?
I got the area is 154 centimeters square.
Yeah. See, area is basically area of circle is pi r square. Yes. Now pi is basically 22 by 7 and r is basically the radius which is 7. So I will use this. So 22 into 7 will become 154 centimeters square. Understood? Yes or no?
Instead of doing square for various, I did into two. So
Yeah, that's a mistake, no? Okay, now can you calculate the this area and perimeter of this? Can you calculate it? I gave the formula, perimeter and area.
Sir,
Hmm.
for rectangle, it's L into B, right?
Yeah. And then this one, I'll give you different figures. You have to calculate the area and perimeter of this area, of this figure. Okay, quickly do it. I'm coming in 2 minutes. Okay, done? Got the answer? Guys, you got the answer?
And on the
Hello?
last one.
Last one. Sam, where are you?
No, sir.
You got the you're not doing it, no? Sam?
Yes, I'm little sorry. It's cold now, sir. So when they hit on a cat on the seam, it hurts a lot since it's cold, right?
Hmm. Abigail, you got the answer of all?
Sir, I'm doing the circle and I'm yet to do the triangle.
Okay. Jahovan, where are you? Joshua? Ezekiel?
I did everything except for the circle.
Quickly do it, beta.
Sir, triangle.
Triangle, okay. I mean, it is easy, no? I gave the formula and you have to put the values into the formulas to get the answer. Okay, I'm raising this. Should I raise this? Okay. Now I'll give you one more question. Quickly do this question.
What do you mean by rectangular field, sir?
Rectangular field means the field is in the shape of rectangle. The field is in the shape of rectangle. And we have to find the barbed wire required to fence it. So if I will give you an idea, then a barbed wire is always fence. Barbed wire always fence at the sides of the field. Okay. So it means that the perimeter of the rectangular field will become the barbed wire required for the fence. Understood, guys? The perimeter of rectangle, because barbed wire is always, the fence is always at the sides of the field. So the barbed wire is basically become the length of the perimeter. Okay, perimeter of a rectangle will become the length of the barbed wire. Understood, guys? No, you didn't understand anything. Ezekiel,
Yes, sir.
quickly do it.
So do you have to measure it? What is like 23.7 and
No,
14.5?
you don't have to measure it. You have to make simple diagram and have to write the values. You don't have to make proper 23.7.
Okay.
Okay, done? Okay. So what's the answer you got, Abigail?
For perimeter, I got 76.4 centimeter, and for
Hmm.
area, I got 130.35 square.
Okay. No, area what? Area you got?
130.35. Oh, sorry, 35 centimeters square.
No, it's wrong. It's wrong. It's wrong. Anybody else?
3.65.
Yes. 343.65. See, if I will do this question, then area of rectangular field. What formula you used?
Length into breadth.
Length into what formula you use? Can you tell it again?
Into breadth.
So length is 23.7 and breadth is 14.5. So you have to multiply it. So shall I multiply it for you? Like 237 into 145. I'm not writing decimals. Whenever see guys, everyone who's struggling in decimal multiplication, please see it. Okay, don't write decimals in your questions. Okay, so first of all, simply multiply it. For example, this three number you have to multiply with three numbers. So 5 7 are 35. 3 will go carry. Then 5 3 are 15, 18. 1 will go up. Then it will become 11. Then it will become 8. Then 2. Then 4. 4 twos are 8, 8 and 9, then 7, 3, 2. Okay. Now I will simply add it. So 5, 16, 1, 1 and 9 and 4 and 13 and 1, 9, 12, 12, 13, 14 and 1 and then 3. Now the question answer which I got is 3, 4, 3, 6, 5. Now in the question, how many decimals have how after decimal, how many digits are there? So in this one is there, in this one is there. So total become 2. So I will make a point here so that after decimal become 2 digits. So the answer is 343, 65, 65 centimeter, sorry, meter square. Understood, Abigail? What mistake you did, Abigail?
Sir, while doing 1 into 237, I didn't put 2 zeros in the beginning.
Uh,
All the values
Abigail.
are all the values are correct, sir. Yeah, I have to put 2 zeros.
So then, what we can do? I mean, you have to join level C class of Rebecca ma'am, or you can do level B also of Sakshi ma'am. Like Sakshi ma'am is taking level B class, which is second to fifth class. So you're most welcome there. Yeah. Okay, we'll do more questions.
Sir,
Yeah.
in the test, I had one doubt, sir. The
Yeah.
question 2, page 656, I was not able to do that.
Okay, we'll take when we'll. I will just arrange a doubt class for you guys, so you can bring your doubts there. Okay, I'll explain all the doubts here. So I'll arrange it. Might be on Monday or Friday. I will take it. Okay, so you just bring all the doubts. We'll solve there. Okay. Yeah. Can you solve this?
Sir, what's the formula for compass area?
Okay. The rhombus is half into D1 into D2. Now here's two diagonals are given, so you have to use that D1 and D2.
Given which,
Hmm? Yeah,
what does it mean? D1, D2? The diagonal.
they're diagonals. Yeah. हो गया? Done? Guys, done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we'll do a little bit tough question. Okay. The base of a triangular field is 3 times its corresponding altitude. If the cost of flowing the field at the rate of 15 per square meter is 2025, okay, find the base of a corresponding altitude. So who can do it? Who can do it? Hannah is raising hand. Hannah? Hmm?
The altitude is height, right?
Yeah, altitude is height. Perpendicular height. Hannah is saying, Hannah, can you help me, Hannah? I am not able to do this question. Hmm?
I'm not sure.
Yeah, not sure. Okay, so first we'll understand the question. The question is saying the base of a triangular field, the base which is B of a triangular field is like this is the height. So this is the height. So the base which is B of a triangular field is means equals to 3 times the corresponding altitude which is H. Okay, we wrote the relation. What's the relation? The base of a triangular field, the base of a triangular field is means equals to 3 times, which is 3 into height, which is corresponding altitude. Understood, guys? Sam, are you there?
Sir.
Yeah. If the cost of a flowing field is at rate of 15 per square meter is 20250, then find the base and the corresponding altitude. So means, for example, the cost of flowing the field.
Uh,
Now, if
at the rate of what is that? 15 meters, centimeters?
15 per square meter, 15 per
Okay.
square meter. So basically, it is given that like if you want to plow this field, the plowing is basically related to area. So the cost of flowing the field is basically it this much at the rate of this much. Okay, so basically you should know this formula that cost of flowing is equals to um, rate per rate per unit into area of area in unit. So basically, what is the total cost? For example, if the area is 5 centimeters square and the cost of 1 centimeter square is 2 rupees, then what will be the cost total? I'm repeating again, guys. Please pay attention. I'm saying it. If the cost of if our area is 5 centimeters square and 1 centimeter square cost is 2 rupees, what is the total rupees that I have to pay? 10 rupees because we are multiplying it na. What the rate which is 2 rupee 2 centimeters square and the area which is 5, so you just normally multiplied it na. So in the same way here the cost, the total cost is given which is 20,000. So what will I do? I will write 20,250 here, which is the total cost at the rate. What is the rate is going on 15 centimeter. Then what will I will 15 rupees. And then what will I got? I will get the area. So if I will, now its multiplication will go, so we will divide. So 20250 divided by 15 is equals to area. Now I have to just simply solve it. So it will become 4 and then 0 and then 5 and then 0. Now it will become 1, it will become 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9, 5s are 15. So I got the area as 1350 meter square. It means that this much area is there. Understood, guys? Yes or no? Did you understand how much area I got? How I got? Everyone?
Can you
Ezekiel,
repeat the
Sam?
question? I didn't understand.
See, the area which I got is basically the cost of flowing divided by the rate per unit. If I will divide it, then I will get the total area on which the work has done. Okay? Hmm? So
Sir,
now when I got, yes,
how
Ah,
is
sure, continue.
how do you get 4050?
where is 4,000? I first simplified it with the table of 5. So 5 threes are, and when you will divide it this with 5, you will get 4,050.
Okay.
I just simplified it with the same table. Okay. Now, area of triangle is half into base into height. Now, area of triangle is 1350 is equals to half into what is base. What is base? Base is given 3 times h. So I will write 3 times h into h. Understood or not? Yes or no? Now, so now 2 will go that side, so it will become 1350 into 2 is equals to 3h square, and it will go and it will become divide. So it will like this: 1350 into 2 divided by 3 is equals to h square. Now 3 ones are 3 fours are 12, and then 1 million is 5, and then it will become 900 is equals to h square. Now this h square will go other side equals to it will become root. So 900 root is basically h. H is equals to 30 centimeter. It means that the h which I got is 30 centimeter, and the base is basically 3 times of h. So it will become 3 into 30, which will become 90 centimeter. It means that the base is 90 centimeter and the hatch is 30 centimeter. Did you understand, guys? Did you understand how I solve this? This is all about solving. When you apply the formula, you simply have to solve it.
So you say the second part of the way you solve it.
Which part?
The second part is after you found the area.
This part, no? Yeah. So basically, what I did, I simply first send this 2 in denominator, it go and multiply, and the 3 is numerator, it will go and it will divide like this. Okay.
No, where did you get 450 from? Sir?
I simply cut this 3.
Understand.
Uh, yeah. I simply cut with this. I got 450. 450 into 2 is 900. And the root of 900 is 30. So I just got the value of 30. Now base is 3 times of h. So 3 into 30 become 90 meter. So centimeter, whatever it is. Meter, sorry. Understood? Yes or no? Everyone got it? We'll do more questions. Okay, quickly do it. Okay, done. Everyone got the answer? No. Hannah?
No, sir.
No.
Sir, can you do it?
Yeah, I'll do it. See, guys. Basically, it's in the ratio. Okay. Now, what a ratio means. For example, if I will write it down 20 upon 25. So the simplest form will be, it will become 4 upon 5. So basically, it is in the simplest form of 4 upon 5, and the ratio, the simplest form of ratio is 4 is to 5. So basically, the simplest form of the number is called as ratio. What is called? It's called as ratio. Understood? Yeah. So it means that the real value, it's a simplest form. I don't know the real value. So it means that I want to find the real value. How will I find the real value? So first I will write the let the let the value be x. Now whenever the ratio form question will come, how will you write? Like you will write length is equals to 3x, because 3 is given, so x is the real number which should be multiplied. And the same way breadth will become 2x. Okay, and it is given, the area is given. So what is the formula? Area of rectangle is length into breadth. What is the area of rectangle is? Length into breadth. So area of rectangle is 726 is equals to length. What is length? Length is 3x into breadth is 2x. Understood? Yes or no? Hmm? So I'll just multiply it. So you have to divide it. So this will become 7 ones are 7, and then 1 will be there, 2s are 121. So x square is equals to 121. If I will do the root of 121, it will become 11. So it means that the value of x is 11, and the real length is basically 3 into x, which is 3 into 11. It will become uh, 33, and 2 into 11, which will become 22. So now perimeter of rectangle is 2 into L plus B. Okay, so 2 into L, which is 33, plus 22. So 2 into 55. So it will become 110 centimeter. So this is the perimeter. Understood, guys? Good, Jahoan. Good, Jahoan. Yes or no? नहीं कहीं नहीं जाना better है. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Buttermilk. Okay, done. Shall I erase this? Okay, so now today's homework. I will give you the homework. Today's homework is check your progress 20.1. Okay. Your homework is CYP 20.1 is your homework. So you have to do it and you have to send it me in the group. Okay. CYP 20.1. Understood, guys? Yes or no? So we will have now 4 minutes break. Then come back in 4 minutes. Till then, bye, Ezekiel, Hannah, and Abigail.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Bye. Okay, guys, come back. Quickly come back. Okay, guys, come on, quickly come back. Yeah. So today we will learn. Yesterday we learned AC motor and DC motor. Yes. Today we're gonna learn this AC and DC. Okay. Now there is some advantage of AC current over DC current. There is some advantage of AC current over DC current. So we will check it out. So can you read this? Who will read? Sam will read this. Sam, read this.
Alternative currents and direct current in a household as well as industrial purposes. AC is widely used. The current that flows out of the switch points at home is AC. The current produced by a battery is, sorry, next page, please. DC. AC can be charged to DC, vice versa. To change AC to DC, you need a restrict, how do you say, sir?
Rectifier. Rectifier.
Rectifier.
So basically,
Rectifier is used.
the battery, the mic battery, you guys are well aware of mic battery. The mic battery is in the form of DC, but the current which is coming at your home is AC. Okay, understood? Yes or no?
So what's the mic battery?
Mic battery produces a DC current in which there is no valley, there is only hill. There is only hill. Okay, the mic battery produces that which is only hill. Which is only hill. Okay. Yeah, can you read this? Yes, please.
You know, mister?
Yeah.
Okay. AC is transmitted from electricity generation centers to house and industrial through high voltage transmitters, step-up transformers at a very high voltage. At the site of delivery, houses like industrials, the voltage is reduced with the help of a step-down transformers. In this way, the transmission cost is reduced as well as the wastage of energy is minimalized. Transmission of DC causes the loss of large amounts of energy. Transformers cannot be
So
used for DC.
basically, the question can ask you what are the advantages of AC over DC, and this is one of the important questions. So I want you to just do a star mark there, so that in the question, if it is come, that what are the advantage of AC over DC, so you can write it down. So basically, what are the advantages is in your powerhouse. Like if you saw the power station, so in that power station there are some transformers are there. So if I will show you the picture of transformer, just give me a second. Hey guys, if you will see this type of, see on in my video, okay? Can you see this? Yes. In the power station, there is this type of transformer
So
is
your camera is off
fine now.
now, sir.
Just give me a second. Now can you see this? Is it visible for you? No?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. So this is called a step up transmitter in which it will go like if you will see the picture, more picture. So these big transformer basically they increases the voltage and they send it to the long distance. They are prepared to send the current over the long distance. Okay. This is called a step up transformer. And near to your house, or in your colony, there is this type of transmitter is also there. If I will search for you, in near to your house, this type of transmitter are there. If I will show you the good picture, it is similar to that. Yeah, this is near to your house. This type of picture are there, in which it's in your, it might be in your colony, it might be near to your house. So that step up transformer, basically they increases the voltage, and if you will use the appliances at that voltage, then your wires will burn, then your appliances will be damaged. So before using that electricity, these type of poles are there, in which it may be on the road, it may be near to the park, wherever. So they basically step down the electricity, means they decreases the voltage, and then it will come to our home. Understood? Yes or no? Guys, are you with me?
Yes.
Did you understand? No. Who didn't understand? Did you
Understood.
understand, guys? Yeah. So now read this. Ezekiel. No, 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 not Ezekiel. Sam.
Where, sir?
Second point.
Okay, good point. Devices like electric motor that work on AC are stronger than those that use DC. They also are more convenient to use. DC generally uses electrolysis, charging the cells, making
Electrolysis.
electrolysis. Sorry, electrolysis, charging the cells, making electromagnetic effect.
So basically, DC is used in this. Okay, changing the cells, making electromagnet. So these types of things we use in DC. But AC is more stronger than DC. That's why we never use DC in our house appliances. Okay, DC of the same voltage, please.
DC of the same voltage as AC is more dangerous because in DC, direction of the flow of current doesn't change. Thus, people coming in contact with DC accidentally get stuck to it, stuck to it. While the come in contact with AC due to the change in direction of the flow of the current, they are flung apart.
For example, 5 ampere DC current and 5 ampere AC current. Which one is more dangerous? 5 ampere DC current. Why DC current? I told you before also. Like for example, if I will make a graph, if I will make you graph, for example, this is now this is AC one and this is DC one. So if you will check here that that it will go up and then it becomes zero, because zero is there na, at that time of instant you can leave your hand. Okay, okay, because it's coming to zero, and then it becomes negative, then zero, then positive, then zero, then negative, then zero, so like it will go on. So when you will just have touch, if you want to touch the AC current, okay, which I recommend not to do it, okay, don't do it. If you want to touch the AC current, then after some time, like after like that, and then you can remove your hand because it's come to zero, because the frequency is like this, that it is coming to zero. But if you will check in the DC current, it's not coming to zero, it's only going up and up. Then if you will got stuck to the DC current, then you will have a lunch with Jesus. Okay, nothing we can do. Yes. Yes, question please. Yes, Sam. Then Jehovah.
So does the lights in the house run with AC use, sir?
Yeah, it's only AC. It's only AC. Yes, Jehovah.
So I've heard that if you touch some electric currents, you'll get thrown backwards.
Sorry, say it again.
I've heard that when you touch electric current, you can get thrown backwards. And here it's also telling if you touch AC current, you will be flung away. Or,
You will be flung away.
hmm.
Flung away means you will be going backward direction, no?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So you this is question, no? Is this question or is it fact?
I'm asking, I've heard that people get thrown backwards when they touch AC current. You can just
Uh,
let go of yourself when it stops.
last part of the question is got muted. Can you tell it again? Last part.
Okay. If you touch an AC current, is it like
Yeah.
stuck till it goes to the middle and then you can take your hand off, or will you be thrown backwards immediately?
Yeah, it you like when it will come to zero, na. So because your body, when you will get the current, your body wants to go away from that body. Yeah, away from the current. Your body doesn't like that. Oh, the current is going on, massage is going. No, na. You want to remove your hand. So the removing hand will only occur when it will come to zero. When it is a positive peak or when it is negative peak, you can't remove your hand. But when it comes to zero, na, like here, for example, you touch here, so you have to experience the current till here, and then because you want to remove your hands, then the zero will come, and that instant the body will be cut off from the current. Understood? No. Did you understand? I hope I gave you the answers of your question. Yes. Okay. Okay. Understood, guys? Yes or no? Okay. Now, yeah, Joshua, can you read this? Joshua, please. Joshua the Great.
So, uh, is it the devices like electric motor?
Yeah, devices like electric motor. Yeah.
Devices like electric motor that
No,
work
no, no, no.
on a
We don't have to do it. No, for question number
I
four.
already read that, sir. Yeah.
Yeah, question four. But yeah,
major portion of AC flows through the upper portion of a wire, thus where a thick wire has to be installed. Several thin wires are coiled together to form a thick wire, which will not the case with DC. You may have seen huge electricity poles, transformers, wires, etc. around your houses. The production of electricity is done far away from cities at electricity generation centers. These power plants depend upon water, thermal energy, wind, or geothermal power. Here, electricity is produced usually at 11 kV voltage, 50 Hz frequency, the system by which electricity is transmitted from such centers to the consumer can be divided into two parts.
so basically, you can see that there is system. Okay, electricity, poles, transformer, everything is coming like the production and the transferring of electricity. They all have some system. So it's basically divided into two parts. So did you saw that big lines? Okay, I will search it and then I'll show it to you. Just give me a second. Did you saw this type of tower?
I can't say it's
Okay.
it's the cell towers. Hmm. Yeah, I've seen.
This one. Did you saw this big tower? Okay. If I will take more clear picture, this type of tower. Did you saw this? Basically, this is called as the transmission high voltage power. Okay. This is called as transmission high voltage power. Understood, guys? Yes or no? So basically, in this there is a very very huge amount of electricity is flowing through the wires, and it's very dangerous. Like if you will go near to it, na. I mean, if you like a Spider-Man or Superman, you are just sitting on this, then forever and ever and ever you will sit on that only. You're not able to come out of it because of the magnetic power. I told you, electric current flows, magnetism occurs, and that magnetism will attract you also into the wire because it's very high voltage is going on, high current is going on. Understood?
So, but how
Under-
will we get attracted? Like,
because somewhere else we are also uh, it's called as paramagnetism. It's not fully magnetism, but we are also magnetized one because our bodies have iron basically. So we also got magnetized and we got also attracted to it when high voltage is there. Okay, understood? Yes or no? Hmm? Yeah. So can you read the transmission system, Joshua?
uh, transmission system, distribution system. By using step up transformer, voltage is converted transmissions of electricity at the production center. At the electricity generation center, by using step up transformer, voltage is converted from 11 kV to 132
I
kV.
told you that setup up means increasing. So they increase the voltage so that it can go to the longer distance. Set up transformer. Okay. So they increase it. Okay. They increase it to a high, to very high current so that it can travel to the longer distance. Understood, guys? No, you didn't understand anything. Yeah. Next, read please.
Then the electricity reaches at low power station through high tension wire. At lower power station, it again converted up to 3.3 kV by using step down transformer. In this way, by using step down transformer, electricity reaches at home at the village of 220 V and 5 and 50 Hertz. Hertz is unit of frequency. The number of cycles completed by AC in 1 second is called as its frequency. A frequency of 50 Hertz means AC completes 50 cycles per second. That means AC
Means,
flow.
see, listen, guys. Listen, guys. For example, the frequency is basically, for example, this is there. So if this line or one oscillation is completed like this in, like for example, this is 50 oscillation, and this 50 oscillations completed in 1 second. It's basically we have this type of electricity in our house. Okay, 50 oscillation in 1 second. Okay, understood, guys? Yes or no? Hmm?
Sir,
Yeah.
what's oscillation?
Oscillation is like this is the neutral point going hill, then valley, then again 0 point. So one hill and one valley consist of one oscillation. One hill, valley is basically called as one oscillation. Understood? Sam, no, you didn't understand anything. Sam,
Repeat the part about oscillation, sir.
oscillation is one hill and one valley. One hill and one valley makes one oscillation.
Officer.
Okay? Yeah, Jahan, can you read this from here?
The number of cycles completed by AC in 1 second is called frequency. A frequency of 50 Hz means a complete 50 cycles per second. That means that AC flows in one direction 50 times and in the other 50 times. The electrical wires, bulbs, and other electrical appliances. This means that bulb lights that the bulb lights up to 100 times and goes out 100 times in a second.
So
But due
basically,
to
you
lack
know,
of
you know
the
what
bond,
happened.
the bulb
Listen,
goes
guys,
on.
listen, guys. I'll show you one thing. Okay. Take one camera. Hmm? Take camera. Put it in front of tube light. Okay. And then you will say that tube light is like this, zum, like this. Did you observe that? Go like you have tube light now. Okay. Go to your tube light and just put the camera in and just turn on the video. So you will see that there is a black white line is coming. Yes or no? Yes or no? Why it is so? Because the electricity, the tube light is like, if you will see this picture, it is off, start off, because zero is basically no electricity, and at that zero there is no electricity means there is no electricity, but it is so fast that it look like it's a constant. I'll show you the video. I'll show you video. I saved that video, but let me find a video. Okay, I'll show you the video. Just give me a second. Okay, can you see this? See this video, okay?
When I took a slow motion video inside my house, I noticed this tube light flickering.
See, there is
Is
a
this a
flickering. Can you see the flickering? Can you see the flickering? Sam, turn on the camera. Joshua, can you see the tube light is flickering? Why it's flickering? Because it's starting zero off zero. Like this, it's working.
camera
Like see.
problem? No, because if I take the same slow motion video outside in sunlight, I don't see any flickering. So clearly the tube light must be flickering for some reason, but why? To answer this question in this video, we will explore the two different kinds of electric current. And so current comes in alternate.
So basically, the flickering of light is basically responsible because of the AC current hertz, 50 hertz. 50 hertz current is going on. That's why the flickering of light is there when you will see with the camera. Understood, guys? No. Did you understand? Yes or no? Okay. So today, let me check. Okay, we'll stop here only. Okay, and then tomorrow we'll do the next topic. I hope you enjoyed the class. Till then, bye. Have a nice day. Signing off.
Thank you, sir. Bye.